that Commodium is making everybody come to work today. And this, look, you can't even see the stairs. And there's 4 of them coming down through here. This really sucks. This beautiful snow. Good grief. How beautiful. It's absolutely winter wonderland. Dawn got home yesterday about, I'd say 4:30, 5 o'clock, even though she got off work early. And that's what piled on her car between the time she got home and 11 o'clock last night when the snow finally quit. At night, in the shadows, it looked like it was a minivan instead of an Explorer.
What's up, man?
Good morning to you.
The roast is fast, so you can't get out. The roast is just like this right here.
I believe it. Can you believe Comporium is requiring their employees to be there?
God, sir. Like I say, the roast looks just like this right here. They hadn't even been sprayed. I got stuff at the top of the hill, so I'm gonna get my shovel and shovel the snow out the way.
Are you in your cruiser up there?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if it'll let me pull up to the top of that parking lot up there in the vacant house, and I'll leave it there.
Well, I got 4-wheel drive. I'm going to try and take Dawn into work and see what happens.
Good luck.
Take care now.
All right, Dan.
This is South Carolina. Blizzard conditions.
February 27th.
February 27, 2004. And last night we were actually having thunder and lightning with a snowstorm. Absolutely amazing. Not unheard of, but highly unusual.
Blizzard southern style.
Straight what?
Yes.
We'll just go up to the light, baby. I'm not surprised. We're in Rock Hill, South Carolina, where no one knows how to do a damn thing when it comes to cleaning the roads.
I cleared it. Yeah.
Yeah, you tell 'em. Thank the Lord for four-wheel drive. I love you, Matthew. You're more reliable than the mail service.
Yeah, but sex isn't everything.
Yeah, yes it is. It might not be everything, but it's a lot. no tire tracks to go on. You're on the wrong side of the road, I think. Yeah, you should be on that side, but don't worry about it. No one's coming. Huh?
Hope no one tries to come over here.
No, I'm sure you'll be fine. As you can see, they have not plowed at all. On the other side of where those bushes are, baby.
Yeah.
On the other side, actually. You're on the wrong side of the road. Yeah. Thank God, four-wheel drive.
We're doing the luge.
The who?
The luge.
What's the
Luge? It's like bobsled team
Oh.
down the ice chute.
Well, this here looks like a ghost town. And I have the feeling that even by 10 o'clock, Emporium wouldn't have plowed out their parking lot because they don't think that it's important enough to make sure that their employees are safe.
Yes, safe.
Now here we are coming
It would be
upon...
the first time that you've fallen on ice out
That's
here.
right. Here we are coming to the Emporium parking lot. And as you can see, no plowing has been done. No plowing has been done. And I am not at all surprised. There are some tire tracks that shows that somebody's probably in the building. They said opening was at 10 o'clock, but we had to use our personal time, and as we all know, I had surgery.
We're in virgin territory.
Virgin territory, yes. In November I had surgery, so I don't have personal time, and I don't have a choice to come into work late or to not come in.
How are you going to get in? Looks like I'm going to have to...
You're going to have to shovel a little bit to get me in there. Okay, here we go. This is the entrance way to where I work. No plowing has been done.